RAM stands for Random Access Memory, but what does that mean? Your computer RAM is essentially short-term memory where data is stored as the processor needs it. This isn't to be confused with long-term data that's stored on your hard drive, which stays there even when your computer is turned off. Anytime you play a game from your computer's hard drive or stream a movie from the internet, all of the data that your computer's processor needs to play the game or watch the movie is stored in RAM. This is so that your processor can get to it quickly. Once you're done playing your game or watching your movie and you